Hi guys, welcome back to the channel where you get a little everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and thank you so much for your continued support. Now today we are in Miketown, Manchester, and we are visiting Mr. Allen briefly just to show you what has been happening to him since last we would have spoken with him and you would have seen his video. So before we do that though, please remember to like, share and to subscribe to the channel so once we upload a new video you will be notified. So guys, in the meantime, I know that you have seen, I think this is the first time we're wearing this shirt, right? So we have to say a big thank you to guess who? Mr. Kemp, the man behind the camera, my husband, for the logo, the design and the doing of the shirt, you know, so big up to him every time. He's multi-talented, and of course a lot of what we do would not have been possible without him, you know, taking us to the places, and still, you know, when we're not on a farm, he's working on shirts. So big up to Mr. Kemp. All right guys, and tell us in the comment section if you love the shirt. All right, so let's hear what Mr. Allen has to say. So hi Mr. Allen, how are you?
Hi, good morning, Mr.
Okay, so we just informed our viewers, you know, that we're checking in with you just to see how you have been doing since last we spoke.
Yes,
so I know since last we spoke a lot would have happened.
Definitely.
So talk to us about what has happened, just to, you know, give us an idea of what has been happening to you.
Yes. Well, I take the decision to go back to the doctor for a last inquiry because the diagnosis was saying psoriasis. So I went back to follow up and to ask some questions if I could get through some other stuff to go about it. However, I asked her about the injection and she told me that the injection would be like 200,000 for 3 weeks.
And just to provide clarity to our viewers and subscribers, the injection you queried about is an injection. You would have seen a video with a gentleman with a similar situation such as yours.
Definitely.
And he would have gotten an injection which cleared up his skin.
Definitely.
Right, so you inquired about that.
Yes, definitely.
Right, so you can continue from there.
Yes, however, the doctor told me that she wouldn't want to put me through that because it would be too expensive.
Right.
However, so she prescribed.
So you say for the injection it's $200,000 per every time.
Yeah, she would just run it after 200,000. It's 100 and something thousand. But
oh, so it's a one injection?
Yes.
And you would have to get a repeat?
Yes, definitely.
How often did she say?
Well, she never said. She said 3 weeks. The injection would last 3 weeks. Yeah.
Okay.
But she said she not put me through that.
Okay, right.
So she prescribed these for me. So this is a tar soap. Yeah, this is a tar soap and this is.
See that? Also, okay.
Yes.
So it's a tar soap used to treat the condition?
Yes, definitely. Yes, it's like it kills bacteria and stuff like that.
Okay.
And this ointment to rub on the ear, and then this is a Vaseline. But it's a mixture, you have some chemicals in it.
Okay.
So this first, then this one, and they work together.
Okay, and this one name what?
It's a mixture.
Okay.
You can pull it now. It's a white mixture.
Oh, okay, like a cream.
Yeah, and this is the Vaseline.
You keep them on the refrigerator?
Yeah, that have to stay on the
because it's a refrigerator.
Yes.
Okay.
And then these are the cirrhosis shampoo. This one.
That's a shampoo?
Yes. It's a shampoo. But it have a funny smell though, you know.
Yes.
Yeah, and this, after I wash it with the shampoo.
This is a lotion?
Yeah, to put in it. So
it's a scalp lotion.
Yeah. So eliminate the scratching. Yes, and we kind of see little improvement.
Yes.
You know.
So how many days would you have been using this new medication now?
Just from Friday. From
Friday, and today is Monday.
Yes.
So Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. And you have seen improvement since?
Yeah, you can see it. Yeah, 'cause it
yes.
It used to hitch me like trouble.
Yes, and the last time when you showed them to us, your skin was very dry.
Yes.
But so, based on what I'm seeing now, to me, it does look like it's an improvement compared to what we saw at first.
See?
Oh, yes. So it's actually drying up the skin.
Yeah.
So it looks more moisturized now, though, not as dry as before.
And under this, this dye.
Oh.
Dye. So most of them die now because what happens, it's like it look like this now. Underneath it with a live. You understand? But like now, these dead.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because I get a good bath with this thumb and put them on twice. Because I have to do that twice a day.
Twice per day?
Yeah, these.
Okay.
Yeah.
And how long you suspect this medication will last now?
Well, She said I must come back in 3 weeks' time.
Okay.
But this going to last me for a time.
A little longer.
Yes, yes.
So hopefully in 3 weeks, you'll see some more improvement.
I believe so.
Yes.
I believe so, yeah. I believe so. You know.
Oh, that's wonderful.
Yeah,
That's wonderful.
it's coming on, man.
Yes.
Yeah, because even my face was start to get infested. So that's why I even step out and say, no, check it out, because here so did I get worse and here so. And did I scratch.
Yes.
And then them years so that come down on my face.
But your face does even look better than it looked the last time too.
Yeah, yeah.
So how you feel?
Right now I feel relaxed in my brain. I feel like some burden come off of me.
Yes.
Yeah, I feel relaxed.
Because you're using this medication and you're seeing some improvement.
Yes. Because she even said, why me take so long to come back? I should have come back, but me never know say I could have go back for upgrade, because from we do the diagnosis, me check say she just tell me say this will work.
Okay.
But the medication where she give me the 2 week.
Yes.
So that's why she
She
go
gave
back
you a
now.
stronger one, you said?
The stronger, yeah.
Okay.
Them 2 years. Because the liquid where she used to give me first, right? It was a running liquid. Yeah, so it just mess you up and make you just wet up.
Yes.
But this are more sturdy.
Oh, so had you known, you would have gone back to, you let her know, and then maybe you
Yes.
should have upgraded it before.
Yeah, upgraded, yeah.
Okay.
But she said this soap is a miracle soap.
It's a miracle soap.
Yeah. yeah. So
Okay, so how has it been going though? Because I know since we did the video, many persons would have reached out. A lot of them had some advice. So
yes.
how is that going? How did you take that? Did you, as some people probably said to go to church, and some people give it. So talk to us about that.
Well, it is an experience, and trust me, it allowed me to meet some people I never meet them in person.
Yes.
But by just talking to them,
interacting with them.
it's just a breath of fresh air. And it's like me look forward to hear them call me every morning.
Okay.
Yeah,
Well, that's wonderful.
Yes, and some good encouragement.
Yeah, so the support is good.
Yeah, support is 100%. Yeah.
The cow agrees.
Yeah, you have people who will cry,
Yes.
so they're in tears, and stuff like that. And we just want to tell them thanks.
Yes.
For reaching out.
Absolutely.
Really appreciate it. And for those who donate, thumbs up.
Oh my
really
God.
appreciate it.
Yes.
Yeah, it build back my confidence to say that people cares.
Yes.
Yeah, I really appreciate you guys. Yeah.
Wonderful.
And thank you, Mr. and Mrs. Kemp,
You're most welcome, man.
for answering the call.
Yes.
Yeah, I really appreciate you.
Yes, absolutely.
Yes.
And also want to say thanks to God, because without God, none of this would have been possible.
Definitely.
And we also want to extend thank you to all the donors, persons who would have also called, thank you for reaching out.
Yes.
Thank you for hearing Mr. Allen, and just, reaching out to his plea. So, Mr. Allen, I know since the video would have gone out, a lot of persons would have seen you.
Yes.
Some persons would have contacted you, persons who are experiencing the same condition.
Yes.
Now, what would be your advice to them? And I mean, what was your advice to you, if any?
Well, the advice that I got, a lot of herbal treatment and changing of diet and all of that. Yes. And there are a lot of people who tell me that, no, one lady told me about some bleaching cream.
To use some bleaching cream?
Yes, because it kind of works for her.
Oh, it works for her?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I don't think it's going to work for me.
Yes.
Really, because of what I'm having. It's cirrhosis.
Right.
You don't want to take any chances to put anything on your body that going to maybe cause an eruption.
Not at all.
Yeah, but there was a guy from Cayman who tell me about the turmeric, the ginger.
Yes.
And I've been using that.
So that's the turmeric, ginger, and garlic mixture, just a tea.
Yes.
Really.
And I think it is working, because it kind of, it can't be wrong for you use those things.
Yes.
So that's what I've been doing. And I got some other remedies, bush, to bathe with and stuff, but
not everything you would be able to utilize.
The body not going to react to those.
Yes.
So that lead me to this.
Okay, and this seemed to be working for now.
Yes.
So we're like in a wait and see to see what will happen next. But based on what we're seeing, and you too, we see that your skin is much improved, much more than it was the last time we saw you.
Definitely.
Right.
I feel confident in this,
Yes.
Yeah, I feel confident in this remedy here. Yeah, because this doctor have my best interest at heart.
Yes, absolutely. That's wonderful.
Yeah. He's a nice doctor. So I believe in this. I believe in it.
Yeah,
So we just watch and see it still, but me now have no doubt. Yeah.
okay. All right. So like I say, you know, of course, we'll check in with you from time to time to see what is happening with you.
Yes, yes.
Yes, and we heard the thunder, so we know say it's soon
Yeah,
rain.
it's gonna rain. It's gonna rain.
Yes, man. So until next time, of course, Mr. Allen will, you know, keep in touch with
Yes,
you. We'll
yes.
check up on you, and we'll also provide you with updates so you can see the improvement or the process as he goes through
Yes,
the
yes.
different phases.
Definitely.
All right. So until next time, this is where we end the video. Thank you so much for making it a Likkle Everything Jamaican. Blessed love. Stay safe. Bye bye.
God bless.